guys, Tamalayo143 here, and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, today is a very exciting day. I actually just received another package from Japan, and it contains 3 virtual pets, 2 of which are Tamagotchis, the green magical, and then this yellow fairy. And the other one is actually a Sumiko Gurashi virtual pet. But for now, in this particular video, we are gonna unbox this beautiful yellow fairy fairy meats. I just don't know what to say, but anyways, yeah, I already cut the tapes here so that it will not be difficult for me to open this up. I just want to be careful because I really don't want to make any more dents on the actual box. There you go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, sorry, I did not show you the actual box. Here it is. So here's the side, here's the back, the other side, the bottom, and the top. So yeah, let's go ahead and take, oops, there's another information here. So I really can't read Japanese. I really don't know what they're saying actually, or what it means, but yeah, I'm loving the Tamagotchi meats. So, ta-da! This is the nicest yellow I've ever seen in my life. Or maybe I'm just exaggerating, but yeah, I'm loving the color of this particular Tamagotchi. So on the back is the manual, which I'm not gonna open. I never open manuals of the Tamagotchi since I can't read Japanese. And this one, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tapes. I'll just pause this first and I'll get back in a while. One moment. Hi there, so I'm back, and I was able to cut the tapes on the side. Wow. Wow. This is so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot. I need to cut a screen protector. One moment. Alright, so I'm back. Okay, so yeah, I was able to cut the screen protector for this one, and it's not the most perfect cut, but it fits, so that's the most important thing. Anyways, let's go ahead and try some batteries. I'm gonna use my handy dandy toothpick. Brush that. There you go. So I really like how yellow it is with the actual color of the Tamagotchi. It actually looks so nice compared to the Sanrio mix. Unfortunately, I sold my Sanrio mix, the 2 Sanrio mixes that I have. I sold them. It was a really big mistake on my part. That's the reason why I asked my sister to buy me one, which she's gonna do on Saturday. She's actually in Singapore right now, and she will be doing a meet up with one of the sellers on Carousel. Anyways, I know it doesn't concern you, but let's go ahead and try batteries in. There you go, that sound. Wow. So that heart. It's so nice. It looks so good. It looks so great actually. So So I really don't have anything to check, so let's just go ahead and set the time randomly. Oh, I have a deck over there. Let's go ahead and check that first. Let's check the time. Oops. So the sounds of this fairy meats is actually kind of very low compared to the green one. That's all I can say, but yeah, I don't care. All I really care about is the sparkle on the face. Like, oh my gosh, it looks so nice. I know it doesn't show on the camera, but or on the video, but in person, really is so nice. And what time is it? It's 10 p.m. The date is, oh, it's Valentine's Day. How can I forget? 10 p.m. I'm gonna be bringing this one with me tomorrow on my trip because I will be on a 2-day trip. And I will be bringing this one and the magical meets green. What time is it? It's 29. Oh, I really don't want to go through this one on the video, so let me just pause this one first. One moment. Okay, so I'm back. So I'm done naming my Tamagotchi, my Tamagotchi. Let's go ahead and proceed in setting this up. Yes. I'm so sorry about the background. It's my Tamago. It keeps calling me. Oh, it's asleep. That's very unfortunate. One moment, let me just replace the battery. One moment. Okay, so I'm back again. So I already replaced the batteries with new ones, and we'll just have to wait for the egg to hatch. It's already 7 minutes. I should remove the screen protector because there was a bubble. I'm gonna have to replace it. Have to cut the new one. Okay, there it is. So yeah, that's our first baby on this yellow magical fairy meats, and I'm really not comfortable using this one without a screen protector, so I'm gonna have to cut the video here. I hope you like the video though. I hope I was able to showcase the beauty of these yellow meats. I'm loving this one. I'm definitely gonna keep this forever. Hopefully I will not reach to the point that I have to sell all my babies. But anyways, that's it for now. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any comments or suggestions, just comment down below. And yeah,